Hello students, I'm here again, Ma'am Des. Our topic for quarter 3 week 5, the title is polygons. At the end of the video, you should be able to illustrate polygons and its convexity, angles, and sides. Please like, share, and subscribe to Ma'am Des Math Tutorials. Hit the notification bell button to alert you at the latest video lessons. For all questions, comments, and suggestions, please put them down in the comment section below. Let's start with an activity. Which of these figures are polygons? Look at the figures from A to F. Okay, here are our answers. For group A, the following are polygons. And for group B, the following are not polygons. Why do you think that in group A, they are polygons and in group B, they are not polygon? Let's find out. These are not polygons. Why? So look at the figures above. We have 5 figures here. Here are the reasons why they are not polygons. First, figure 1, 2, and 3 consist of not only segments but also curved lines. Second, figure 4 is not a closed plane figure. And third, the segments of the figure 5 cross each other. Next, these are polygons. Why? Look at the 4 figures above. The remaining figures are all polygons because they satisfy all the conditions in the definition of polygons. And now, what is the definition of polygons? What do you mean by a polygon? A polygon comes from the words poly, which means many, gon, which means angles. It is also a closed plane figure that is determined by its non-collinear segments, it's called sides, that meets on a common endpoint called vertex. Now, a polygon can be classified as convex and non-convex or concave polygons. Look at the first group, convex, and its examples and characteristics. The second one, non-convex or concave, examples and characteristics. Let's start with the first characteristics of both classification. The lines containing the sides of the polygon do not cross the interior of the polygon. That is for convex. For concave, a polygon that is not convex is called non-convex or concave. For the second characteristics, for the convex, all interior angles measures less than 180 degrees. Look at the figure at the left. And this one for the concave, at least one interior angle measure greater than 180 degrees. Please look at the figure at the left side. As you can see, there is one angle which measure 180 degrees or greater than 180 degrees. Third characteristics for the convex, all diagonals lie entirely inside the polygon. So which means if we are going to draw a diagonal from one vertex to the opposite vertex, we can draw the diagonal inside the polygon. Okay, for the concave, as you can see in the star, we can draw a diagonal outside this polygon. Okay? So those are the characteristics of each convex and concave polygons. Okay, for the activity again, identify whether the polygon is convex or concave. So I will pause for a while to answer the given activity. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have to identify it, which are convex and which are concave. Okay, so let's proceed with our activity. Let us have the answers. For number 1, convex. Number 2, concave. Number 3, convex. Number 4, concave. Number 5, convex. Okay, so let's proceed now to the parts of polygon. So the parts of polygon, we have the interior angle and then the exterior angle. In the interior angle, we have the sides. So line segment GR, and then we have the exterior angle, and then we have the diagonal vertex. Okay, so for the definition of the parts and then the name, so let us base from the shape or figure at the left side. Okay, the first one or the first part is a vertex. So plural form is vertices. When we say vertex, it is the intersection of two sides. Okay, let us name the vertex or vertices of this figure. We have point G, point R, point A, point D, and point E. Now, what about for the side? Side or sides? When we say side of a polygon, it is a segment joining two consecutive vertices. Let us name the sides of this polygon. We have line segments GR, RA, DA, ED, and EG. Okay, for the diagonal or diagonals. When we say diagonal of a polygon, it is a segment joining any two non-consecutive vertices. Let us name the diagonals or possible diagonals of this polygon. So we have line segments EA, ER, GD, GA, and RD. Next, for the interior angle or angles, we have an angle inside the polygon at one of its vertices. So, what are the interior angles of this polygon? So, we have angle G, angle R, angle A, angle D, and angle E. Now, next, for the exterior angle, an angle outside the polygon formed by one of its sides and the extension of an adjacent side. Let us name the exterior angle of this polygon, angle ARC or angle CRA. Let us have an activity again. So name me. Use the given polygon to the right to name the following. So look at the polygon at the right. So given the parts, you have to name the polygon or name the parts of this polygon. Letter A, the vertices. B, sides. C, diagonals. D, interior angles. And E, exterior angles. You can pause the video to answer the activity. Okay, let's proceed. So here are the answers from the parts given. Okay, for vertices, we have point H, point O, point N, point E, point S, and point T. For the sides, we have line segments HO, ON, NE, SE, DS, and HT. For the diagonals, we have line segments HN, HE, HS, OE, OS, OT, NS, NT, TE. Next, for the interior angles, we have angle H, angle O, angle N, angle NES, angle S, angle T. For the exterior angles, we have angle NEK. A polygon separates a plane into three sets of points. Number one, the points on the polygon. Number two, points in the interior or inside of the polygon. And number three, points in the exterior or outside of the polygon. There are two types of angles associated with a convex polygon. We have exterior angle and interior angle. An exterior angle of a convex polygon is an angle that is both supplement and adjacent to one of its interior angles. The interior angle of a convex polygon is strictly less than 180 degrees. Now, look at this polygon. It is a convex polygon. So the name of this convex polygon, we have ABCDE. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle CDE, and angle E are the interior angles, while angle MDC is an exterior angle. Now, what do you mean by consecutive vertices, consecutive sides, and diagonal? When we say consecutive vertices, are vertices on the common side of the polygon. Consecutive sides are sides that have a common vertex. A segment joining two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon is called diagonal. Now, look at this polygon. In the polygon ABCDE, consecutive vertices are A and B, B and C, C and D, D and E, E and A. Consecutive sides are line segments AB and BC, line segments BC and CD, line segment CD and DE, line segment DE and EA. And some diagonals are line segment AC and AD. For the classification of polygons according to number of sides. So, the table here is shown to you. So, we have number of sides. We have 3. The name of the polygon is triangle, and here is the illustration. Okay. Number of sides 4. We have quadrilateral. Sides 5, pentagon. If the sides is 6, we can call it hexagon. If the sides is 7, we can call it heptagon. For 8 sides, we have octagon. For 9 sides, nonagon. For 10 sides, decagon. 11 sides, undecagon. 12 sides, dodecagon. And then, for the number of sides or unknown sides, we can call it n-gon. Okay, let's proceed to regular polygon. A regular polygon is a polygon with congruent sides and congruent angles. A regular triangle is an equilateral triangle. A regular quadrilateral is a square. No other special names are given to regular polygons with more than 4 sides. A regular polygon with 5 sides is a regular pentagon. With 6 sides is a regular hexagon. So look at the shape at the right. We have equilateral triangle, square, rectangular, regular pentagon, and regular hexagon. Now, equiangular or equilateral polygon. All sides have equal length. All sides have equal length. Okay, so as you can see from the figure, okay, so the marks on the side, which means all sides are congruent. Congruent means equal, equal in length. For equiangular polygon, all angles have equal measures. So as you can see from the triangle here, all the measures of these angles are same with 60 degrees. Okay? The other figure we have 108 degrees. And then of course for the rectangle, okay, we know that all of the angles of a rectangle is equal to 90 degrees. Okay? Now, for the evaluation, let us find out if you learned something. Identify the types of polygon according to number of sides. Number 1, 2, 3. Pause your video and then answer the 3 items. Okay, so proceed tayo. Now, for the first picture, we have triangle. The second picture, we have octagon. And the third picture, we have quadrilateral. Okay, let us end our discussion with a quote. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It is about understanding by William Paul Thurston. Thank you for watching and please support Mom Des Math Tutorial. See you on my next video.